Hey guys, we got this Klaudena office chair cushion. So this is a seat cushion for long sitting hours, and this helps with your back and to give extra cushion on your seat. So it comes in this vacuum packed packing. So I think once we open it, we have to give some time to so that it can regain its shape and size. So right now it is just very squeezed one. So let's give it some time. But the back is have this not skiddable surface, and then this also have a memory foam inside. This is ergonomic shape, and then you can take out this case to wash and clean, and this is a memory foam inside, so it's very soft and regaining its shape. So just give it some time and then it should comes up. So this now regain its whole shape. So I'm just putting on a chair. You can see like this is holding well, and the side is also the ergonomic side, so it will help have give the more cushion to your back. And yeah, so this one is pretty nice here. So the mesh is on the top for breathing thing, and then the non-skiddable thing. So I sit on it, and you can see like it is taking up the whole pressure, and it's comfortable, I can say that. And then with my this chair cushion, this is an additional one, so additional thing for me. And then from the back also, like it is giving that slant, so it's helpful and very comfortable.